Before cereal and fast food took over America, millions of people survived on breakfasts built from poverty, war, and desperation. Factory workers, miners, and struggling families ate meals so strange most Americans today would never touch them. Some were made from pure grease, some from scraps, and one forgotten breakfast was powerful enough to keep a man working all day on a single plate. But the most shocking part? These meals helped build America itself. Today, breakfast is quick: coffee, toast, cereal. But in old America, breakfast was survival. For workers, farmers, miners, and poor families, the first meal of the day decided whether they had enough strength to survive another brutal day. And some of those breakfasts sound unbelievable now. Number 20 was cornmeal mush, a thick porridge made from boiled cornmeal, cheap, heavy, filling. Poor families across America ate it because it could feed many people using almost nothing. This was not comfort food. This was survival food. Number 19 was salt pork and biscuits. Workers on farms and railroads needed food that lasted a long time without spoiling, so they ate salty preserved meat with rough homemade biscuits before sunrise. Greasy, tough, powerful, enough to fuel hours of hard labor. Number 18 was Johnny cakes. Simple cornmeal pancakes cooked over open fires. Families on the frontier depended on them because flour and ingredients were limited. Fast to cook, easy to survive on. Number 17 was cold leftover pie for breakfast. In the 1800s, Americans commonly ate pie in the morning before work. Fruit pies were filling and packed with calories. Back then, breakfast was about energy, not healthy eating trends. Number 16 was creamed chipped beef on toast. Soldiers during World War II ate this constantly. Dried beef covered in thick gravy poured over bread. Cheap wartime food that spread into American homes during rationing. People joked about it, but it kept them going. Number 15 was fried mush. Families sliced leftover cornmeal and fried it in bacon grease until crispy. Nothing was wasted. Every calorie mattered. Here's what most people never realize. These breakfasts existed because life was physically brutal. Factories, coal mines, railroads, farms. People burned thousands of calories every day just trying to survive. Number 14 was oatmeal mixed with lard. Yes, animal fat. During the Great Depression, some families added lard into oatmeal for extra calories because food was scarce. It sounds strange now, but hunger changes everything. Number 13 was molasses bread. Poor children often ate stale bread covered with thick molasses before school or work. Sweet, cheap, filling enough. For many families, this became a daily survival breakfast. Number 12 was codfish cakes. Along the East Coast, workers mixed salted cod with potatoes and fried them into heavy breakfast cakes. The food lasted long winters and fed entire families cheaply. Number 11 was milk toast. Warm milk poured over toasted bread. Simple, soft, cheap enough for struggling households during hard times. Sometimes that small meal was all people had. Number 10 was baked beans for breakfast. Today it sounds strange, but early Americans regularly ate beans in the morning because they provided long-lasting energy during freezing workdays. Protein mattered more than taste. Number 9 was coffee soup. Poor immigrant families poured hot coffee over bread and drank it like soup. Warm enough to fight cold mornings, filling enough to keep moving. That was enough. Number 8 was scrapple, one of the strangest breakfasts in American history. Families mixed scraps of pork with cornmeal, shaped it into blocks, then fried it. Almost nothing from the animal was wasted. This was not cooking. This was strategy. Number 7 were hoe cakes. Thin cornmeal cakes cooked near open fires on hot metal surfaces. Poor laborers and enslaved African Americans survived on them for generations. Simple ingredients, hard survival. Now here's where things become darker. Some breakfasts were created from pure desperation. Number 6 was sausage gravy and biscuits. Heavy gravy poured over biscuits became common because flour and grease were cheaper than large amounts.